Next, we are gonna add a post. We'll learn how to add a post in WordPress. I'll go to posts, add new. Just click on add new. Here I'll enter the title of the blog post that I want to add. So in this case, I'll add the title as my first blog post. Next, in WordPress, just like the Word doc, we have got all the options like heading 1, heading 2, heading 5, etc. We also have a paragraph tag which is there. So we can choose any of those. I'll just select heading 5 in this case because the other headings are too big. So I'll just write my first blog post. Next, I'll just hit enter, and here I have an option to add information. Okay, information about my first blog post. So here I can add all the information that I want to add in the paragraph form. There are few things that we can note here, we this is the toggle button. In case you can't see the entire list, you can just hit the toggle button here. One thing, we can add hyperlinks to this thing. Okay, so let me just write this is the blog on digital marketing, and let's say if I want users to click on digital marketing, I can just click on this pin icon and I can just write down the website name. I can just hit enter. I'll just click on preview, and once I click on the preview button, I can see the hyperlink has been added. However, when I click on this hyperlink, it will open the website in the same tab. That is, it is not redirecting or not opening it in a new tab. Many people may be absolutely okay with that. In fact, I'm also fine with that. However, I do not want the user to get away from my website, so I'll just click on the edit button in this case. After selecting the hyperlink, I'll select on link options and I will click on link text. Below the link text, there is a checkbox, open link in a new tab. So I'll just click on open link in a new tab, and I'll just update this thing. And this is done. And now when I preview this specific thing, I can see that digital marketing courses. When I just click on it, digital marketing, it opens it in a new tab and not on the same tab. This is one of the examples. There are other options as well, so I can just use the strike option, so I can just strike the text in this case if I want to. Apart from that, I can also add images to it. I will look at the image part. First, we can just look at the alignment option. We can right align it, center align it, left align it, and so on. So I'll just write a few things here so that it looks like a bigger blog post. Next, how to add images to the blog post. So there's something called as add media. So we can just click on add media, and I've already uploaded some images here. In case I have not, I can just click on the upload files tab which is there in here, and I can just click on select files, and I'll go to the desktop. It's already in the desktops and image upload, and I'll just upload this image. Guys, all the images taken in here except for these three, both these images have been taken from unsplash.com. Unsplash.com is a very good resource to get free images which you can also use for commercial purposes. Next, I can just click on insert into the post. I can decide the size of the image, whether I want a medium size image, full size image, or a thumbnail. Also, I can select the link, if I want to provide a hyperlink to the image or not, I can select that thing. Next, I can select the alignment. It could be left, center, right, or none. None is in the center. It's similar to center only. However, there is an option of none as well. So I just insert center. I've got my image here. Just in case if I just select want to change any option, I can just click on this image and I'll get the small panel here. I can click on the left align, which will left align the entire image, and I can write content besides it. If I click here, it will right align it and I can write content besides it. So let's say this image has been taken from unsplash.com, and maybe I just want to link to unsplash.com as well, so I can just do that. Okay, and that is there. Okay, and this is there. uh, Next, it's a good practice to embed videos. So let's say if you also have a video version of your blog article, you can just embed it here. In this case, I'll just embed one of the random videos which is there on the internet. There's some joke about lockdown and all, so I'll just click on share, and I'll just click on embed here. So I'm on youtube.com basically. So many clients ask me that they want to add videos to their website. However, video hosting is a complex subject. So rather than that, you have to upload your video on YouTube or Vimeo on some other website, and then you can just directly embed it in here. I would want your attention here. Instead of, we are in the visual tab right now here in the WordPress, we'll click on the text tab, and then we will copy paste the code that we have got from YouTube. Next, we can just save it as draft. We'll save draft so that we don't lose any of the changes that we have done. And when I click on the visual tab now, I can see the video has been embedded successfully. Okay, great. I can simply publish this article, and I can also add a few categories in here, like a blog, a domain name. I can add new categories. Categories are the bigger basket, which means what is the article about would come in the categories, and tags is a smaller part of it. Tags is more like the elements that you're talking about in the article will come under the tags. Next, there is featured image. So we'll have to set a featured image. Featured images are very important because whenever you share your article on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, the featured image also appears besides the link in the preview box. Also, it sometimes appears on Google as well, so it's very important. The featured images are very important. Now that this article is ready, I'll just click on update, and when I go to my blogs page, I can see this entire article is coming in here. Now there's one drawback in this thing where let's say if I'm writing a 1000 words article, and it's appearing, the entire 1000 words appearing in the blog, definitely my second, third article or the previous articles will not receive that much of attention. In that case, what we have to do is, in every blog post that we write, we have to always insert a read more tag. Okay, so I'll just go to, after the first page, I'll just click on insert read more tag. Once I do that and I update it and I refresh, when I go to the blog page, I will not see the entire article, but I will see a continue reading button. When I click on this button, I'll be able to see the complete article which is there. So this is the benefit of the read more tag, and it's very important to add the read more tag if you have got multiple articles on your website.